morning. Paola Pink's here, Miss Donuts, with our morning Octane event.
And Belan Mars here with JPAN GT.
We're currently in Anaheim, California.
Here at the Anaheim Garden Walk.
We're gonna go tour with some car owners and show you guys around. Come take a look. Hi guys, we're here with
Rich from LD97 Forged.
And tell us a little bit about what LD97 is.
So LD97 Forge is a three-piece wheel company. You know, we do forge, wheels, monoblock, as well as dual block.
When were you guys established?
About 2.5 years ago now.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it's been up and down,
Okay.
But we're getting there.
All right, and can you tell us more about your build?
Okay, this is a Liberty Walk Huracan build, wide body. As you can see, it's wrapped with the camo. Wheels are 20 by 9 and 20 by 12.5. And this is typically what we cater to right now.
Hi, we're here with Adriana with Guys.
Hi, I'm Adriana from Detail Garage Orange, located at 806 North Heston, City of Orange. We just opened November, is woman owned and run by women as well.
Oh, wow! Tell us a little bit about your products.
So we have what we brought. We brought most of the quick details because the cars are parked, so we want to make sure they stay nice and safe.
Again,
thank you so much. This is so much fun. I hope to see you guys the first of every month. Don't miss out. We're having sales when we're here, 15% off all the entire purchase, and we're gonna continue bringing more stuff. See you guys here.
You're here with
Rudy Rubio. I'm with Joy and a Stick, and we do handcrafted popsicles. All natural ingredients using real cream, real sugar, real ingredients.
What are your flavors? Do you offer vegan options, like all natural?
We do have vegan options. We currently have 26 flavors, and we change our flavors according to the seasons.
We're here with
Ivan.
And can you tell us a little bit more about your build?
It's a built motor, turbo, E46, precision, 76, 75, 800 wheel horsepower. So it definitely makes some pretty good power. So I've competed in some half-mile stuff like shift sector. Shift sector, I did about 176.
Very impressive. Hi, we're here with
Chris.
And Chris, can you tell us a little bit more about your build?
Sure, this is a 1995 Toyota Supra RZ. Currently I'm running a single turbo Precision 6466. The motor was built by Gorilla Garage. The goal for the future is I want to be around 800 horsepower.
Hi guys, we are here with
Alan, aka Smoke Dog.
So can you tell me a little bit more about your build?
Well, it's a full one-off build from the 1955 Porsche Spider. From ground up, it's fully done from the motor to interior, everything's hand polished.
It's really badass. So I know every car show that you do, you typically have like money in the hood. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Or
It's just for shits and giggles. It's just for the laugh, to see people's reactions.
It's pretty cool. Well, it's a pretty badass build.
Thank you.
Hi guys, we are here with
Victor.
What is your Instagram name?
Big Heads Designs.
Awesome. So tell me a little bit more about this build.
The build is a 1974 Datsun 260Z. I originally got it about 2 years ago in pretty much stock form. Just building it ever since. I put the wide body kit, some custom wheels and air suspension, and every little detail that you see here.
It's a pretty sick build. I really love it. Is there anything unique that tells it apart from the other Datsuns that we have here?
I think just the color really makes it stands out, and then the interior pieces.
Great. It was really nice to have you here today. We're really blessed to have you here.
What's good, guys? Archie Donuts and Wheels. I want to say thank you for everybody that came out to our Octane Donuts event. Hope you guys had a good time. I want to thank all our vendors, Chemical Guys, LD97 Forge, Joy and the Stick, 360, and a few more. If I missed you, I'm sorry, but thank you guys all again for coming out. I know it's an early event, but we appreciate it. For all of you guys that came by, stopped by the booth, and caught some merch as well, thank you. We're gonna keep doing this for you guys every month, month and a half. The whole point of this is to bring the community together. I don't care what kind of car you have, what it is, whether it's a show car, stock car. Our event is pretty much just to bring the auto community together at one place where they can all vibe, hang out, and chill. So like I said, thank you guys for coming out.